Hi friends, welcome to Venki's channel. Today we are going to learn how to solve the F2L or the first two layers of the Rubik's Cube. In the previous video, we have learned how to solve the cross in the Rubik's Cube. We are doing the CFOP series or the cross, F2L, OLL and the PLL series. Now let's make the cross. Now since the cross is solved, let's learn the basic fundamental of the F2L. So all this is based on this concept. We have to form a pair like this. Green corner and any two colors here. Red and red, yellow and yellow. I have chosen red and red and yellow, but you can have any pair. We will learn how to form these pairs. You may not have these pairs formed already. First, let's learn how to insert this pair. The basic thing is that we have to find the red and yellow centers because I have a red yellow pair, and then we have to insert this pair between the red and the yellow center, which means this pair has to come over here. So how to insert the pair is the empty space and the pair should be like an L shape. Here this is my empty space and this is my pair. These both are like an L shape. It may not be like this, it can be like this also. Right now, if it's like this, my pair is forming an unequal L. It should form an equal L like this. Then you have to just insert the pair by using the formula R, U prime, R prime. You don't need to remember the formula, just do it for 2 to 3 times and then it will be saved into your muscle memory. Now let's learn how to form these pairs. We will have 3 cases while forming pairs in F2L. But every time our corner which has the green should be in the bottom right corner. For me, green corner is in the bottom right, which means in this position. And the 3 cases are green will be on the right or the front or the top. We will learn each of these 3 cases in detail. So first let's learn the case where green is in the right. You may not already have the corner in the top layer, but you have to bring it to the top layer and we will learn how to do that. Here I have this corner in the down layer. So simply use the formula R, U and R prime and this will come to the top layer. First we will learn the case where green is in the right side. In this case there are 2 subcases. The subcases are, first we have to find the edge with orange and white. The edge with orange and white is here for me and it's already in the top layer. If it's not in the top layer, you can simply bring it to the top layer by using the previous algorithm from which we brought the down layer corner to the top layer. And the 2 subcases are the top pieces might be the same color or the different color. For me, here orange and white are of different colors, but you might also have same color. First, let's learn how to solve the different color ones. And the edge should be in this position. It can be here, here, here also, but we have to finally bring it to this position. We will learn how to bring it to this position. If the piece is over here, we have to bring it to this position by just moving like this. If we just move like this, the corner is not in the bottom right position. So this is the wrong step. So we have to protect this corner by moving it down and then move this edge here and then move this corner back up. So this will be set into its position. And the same case if it's here also. But what if it's here? If it's here, we can't just protect this corner. If we just protect this corner down, this will also come down. So we have to protect this in a different manner. Different manner in the sense, we have to do an F move, which means we have to turn the front layer. And then also the corner will be protected, but the edge will still stay in the top layer. So we have to move this to this position and then move the front layer back to normal. And we have not disturbed our cross. And so now let's learn how to insert this pair. And this corner should be between the matching colors. The matching colors are orange and white, and the corner is between orange and white. Even if it's not there, just move the top layer and then it will come to its position. And now when the colors are different and the edge is in this position, we have to move the right layer up, U and then R prime, and then the pair will be inserted. And now the second subcase, or the case 1b. Here both the top colors are of same color, orange and orange. Previously we had different colors and now we have same colors, so we can't use the previous step. And here if you think logically, this edge piece should be in this position, and then if the edge is in this position, yellow and yellow will match, orange and orange will match, and we'll have the green color, and then the pair will be solved and we can insert it. But the question is how to bring this edge here. If we simply bring it like this, our corner will be misplaced. So again, we have to protect the corner, move the edge and then move the corner back up. Then our pair will be formed. This edge might be in any place, whether it's here, here or here. We should use the same step, but there is a slight difference if it's here. If the edge is here, we can't protect the corner like this, and as before, we have to protect it by turning the front layer like this, and then we have to bring it to this position and then turn our front layer back, and then we have to use our previous step, right side down, and then move this edge to the correct position and then right side up. And here we have our orange and yellow pair formed. So let's insert it in the correct place. Here is our correct place for orange and yellow pair, and this forms an equal L. So we have to bring the left layer up, insert the pair and left layer down. And here the pair is inserted. Now let's go for case 2. In case 2, the green corner will be in our front, but in any case, it has to be in this position. And now in case 2, we have the green in the front, and again we are solving the orange and yellow pair. And our orange and yellow edge is here. Even if it's here, here or here, we have to bring it to this position. Previously we wanted the edge to be in this position. Now we want the edge to be in this position. And again, same as before, if the edge is in the different position, we have to bring it to this position. And now we have to rotate our cube. Our corner should be in between orange and yellow as before. And then the colors are different now, and in the second subcase, the colors will be same. And in the first subcase, the colors are different. So let's learn how to solve this. First we have to rotate the cube, then it will go to the bottom left corner, and then we have to turn the left layer up. The pair is formed here as you can see. And now we have to insert the pair by moving the up layer and the left layer back down. And here the pair is inserted. And now we have our second subcase, or case 2b. Here both the top colors are same and green is in the front. Now we are solving the orange and white pair. Here the edge can be in any position. But if it's already in this position, which means the pair is already solved. Now we have to bring it to this position by moving the front layer and then the top layer 2 times and then the front layer back up. And then this pair will be solved. Even if the edge is here, we have to follow the same step. And then the pair will be formed. Now we have to insert it in the correct position. The position is here, so the pair should be here. Let's bring the pair here. Now the pair is here and the empty space and the pair are forming an equal L. So let's use the formula. No need to remember the formula, it will be just saved into your muscle memory. And then our pair is inserted. Now let's go for case 3. In case 3, the green piece is on the top. So we have to first find the edge. We need a red and white edge. The red and white edge is here. And so the first step is to match this edge, which is on the front side, with its respective center. Now it's with the orange center, so we have to match it with the red center. Now it's matched with the red center. The corner is not in the bottom right, but no need to care about it. And now the top color is white. So white should be on our front. Whatever the top color is there, that color should be on our front. And then we have to do an R move, and then wherever the corner is, we have to move it to this position. Right now the corner is here. Let's move it to this position here, and then we have to do R prime. Then as you can see, this pair will be solved. There are no subcases in case 3. Whatever it may be, you have to match it with the center and then make the top color as your front face, and then do an R move, match the corner, and then do R prime, and then you'll have the pair formed. So this is my empty space and it's forming an unequal L. We want an equal L. If we move it here, the pair is forming an equal L. So we have to insert the pair right now, which is very simple. R, U prime, R prime. And now since we have learnt how to form pairs in 3 different cases, let's give it a try to solve the F2L. First, let's find the corner in the top layer. I have found a corner in the top layer and the green is facing towards the up. So let's find the respective edge. We need the red and yellow edge. So let's search for it. We have the red and yellow edge and this layer or the middle layer. So we have to bring it to the top layer. As we brought the corner, we have to bring the edge also to the top layer by using R, U and R prime. And so the edge came into the top layer and it's matching with its center. So since the color on top is red, red is facing our front. And then let's move our side towards the front or R, and then let's match the corner and then R prime. So the pair is formed. And now let's insert it. And now luckily we have another pair formed. So let's insert it into its respective place. And now we have another pair formed. And now we need to form another pair, but the corner is in the down layer or the bottom layer. So we have to bring it to the top layer by using R, U, R prime. And then it came to the top layer. And now we need to find the orange white edge. I have found the orange white edge here in the top layer. And it's case 2 because green is facing our front and the colors are different here. So this edge should come here. Let's do it. So we have to turn the front face. If we turn the front face and then match this, our pair will be gone. So this is a wrong step. The pair in this place will be misplaced if we do this step. So we have to make sure that the pair in this place is not filled. Now the pair in this place is not filled, so we can use this step. If we do F and then match the edge, this pair will be gone, but we don't have anything in that place, so no need to worry. That's the only thing we have to be careful about. And now we got the pair formed and let's insert it. We have successfully finished doing the F2L or the first 2 layers. In the next video, we learn how to solve the last layer. There are 2 steps in solving the last layer. They are OLL and PLL. OLL is orienting the last layer, which means all the pieces here will be of blue color. And then the last step is to do PLL. PLL is permuting last layer, which means the whole cube will be solved. Bye friends.